Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make crunchy turnip dumpling. Hope you like it. Friends who like fried turnip with dried shrimp will definitely like this recipe. Remember to make it and share it with your family after watching the video. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe, so you may refer back anytime you like. Ingredients: turnip, dried shrimp, shiitake mushrooms, carrot, dumpling skin. Peel and shredded turnip. Diced shiitake mushrooms. Peel and diced carrot. Stir-fry dried shrimp until fragrant. Add mushroom and carrot dices. Add shredded turnip. Seasoning: 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon sugar. Optional to add chicken powder. Stir fry evenly. Plate it. This turnip recipe is appetizing and goes well with rice and porridge too. Me and my family love to eat it with mantou or white bread. Set aside to let it cools down, then we can start making dumplings. Get ready dumpling skin. This is dumpling we want to make. Let me demonstrate how to make it. Take out a piece of dumpling wrapper and put the filling in the center of the dumpling wrapper. Wet the edge of dumpling skin with water. Fold in half and pinch the edge tightly. Here you go, beautiful dumpling. This is another dumpling style. Dumpling are ready to steam. Final check on dumpling and pinch it tight it has opened. Drizzle cooking oil on steam plate, then arrange dumpling on it. Steam dumpling for approximately 15 minutes. Steamed dumpling is cooked. The white dumplings are full of fillings. Homemade dumpling is the best, right? Haha! Jicama is rich in plant protein, fiber and vitamins, which can quench thirst, remove alcohol toxins and prevent neuralgia. Jicama is also rich in water, vitamins, protein, starch and various elements necessary for the human body, such as calcium, iron, zinc, copper, phosphorus, etc., especially high in water and vitamin C, which has the effects of cooling and removing heat, lowering blood pressure and blood lipids. The general population can eat turnip. It is not suitable for people with dysmenorrhea or during menstruation, people with cold constitution, diarrhea caused by cold, weak spleen and stomach, loose stools and diabetes patients. Jicama is also known as turnip. What foods should be avoided when eating jicama? Please note that the following foods should not be eaten with jicama because they are incompatible with jicama. Turnip plus chicken may cause abdominal pain and diarrhea. Turnip plus celery will increase the blood pressure lowering function. For people whose blood pressure is not high, it will cause low blood pressure and easily cause side effects. Turnip plus mung bean will cause chills, affect protein absorption, and have adverse effects on the stomach and intestines. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.